hopefully you can hear me. I thought I'd take a point of view drive in my Commaero. So it's a 1968 Commaero Wanderer, but it's originally fitted with a 1725 Hillman engine. This one's fitted with a Saab 2.3 turbo and a 4-speed auto out of a Mazda MX-5. Ignition, push button start. So we've got minimal instruments, speedo not hooked up at the minute, the cable doesn't marry from this to the gearbox. Rev counter, I added that in. All important boost gauge. Got an electronic water pump controller, which is down there. It's got an audible alarm on it, so that's why I've not mounted it anywhere, because I wanted to keep this sort of standard looking. And then up here I've got washers, wipers. I've got high and low boost. High boost turns on a fan for the intercooler and activates the boost solenoid. Low boost is just wastegate pressure, which is about 0.6. High boost is about 1.2 bar at the minute. Then we've got so it's a 4-speed auto. So you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then so just chuck it in drive. It goes 1, 2, 3 automatically, and then overdrive is 4th. So if I want to go into 4th gear, that's that. And then there's a lock-up torque converter. So then that's that. That's only really used for like 70-mile-an-hour motorway work. Overdrive probably when I'm over 40 mile an hour, say. Everything else, just leave it overdrive off and let it do what it wants to do. Alright then, let's drive, let's go. Typically I drive everywhere in low boost. The auto box basically isn't happy with full boost, but I do have a solution. Stay tuned for that. Those that have followed my progress on this will know I have been plagued with auto box problems, and many a man would have given up and just fitted a manual, but no, I want it to be an auto. So as I drive along, no doubt the camera is picking up the sun visor, and to be honest, the seating position, I'm not very tall, so the seating position suits me, but anybody taller and yeah, they'd have an issue. Boost and harass Rowena in the 135i. build of boost, just foot to the floor. It'll just slip right through it. So basically, torque converter lockup is just for cruising. I know basically I've been advised to run like a boost switch on like 5 psi and kicks them out, but I've got them on a switch, so I just turn them off. So yeah, fourth and torque converter lockup, don't run more than like 5 psi through them. For a hold, very in keeping with the van. I know a lot of people said, why are you going for an auto, especially why you persevering with the auto, but the bench seat, you drive it one-handed, it's just a cruiser, it's just tremendous. It is good fun. People say that the handling must be terrible, but it's not that bad. You've just got to remember that it is a forward control little stubby bus. It's got an anti-roll bar on the front. Rear suspension is quite stiff. It's got discs on the front, LSD on the back. Nice little side pipe. Hope you enjoyed.